In this video, I'm going to show you how to change text font size on Signal Messenger. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up Settings, then scroll down for a bit and get into Display and Brightness, and then tap on Text Size. Here you can drag this slider to the right to increase text size or to the left to decrease it. This feature controls text size on all your devices, so in that way you can change text size in all your applications and system menus. So now you can go back to Signal Messenger, and here, as you can see, text font size has been already increased. And in the same way you can always go back here and by dragging this slider change text size to the size that you want. That's it. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.